Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I want to do an eyeshadow look using this Klarity Kosmetics a mauve wedding palette. Alright, and that's what this looks like. So today I'm just kind of dressed very casual. I just have on this like white bodysuit with some beige sweatpants. I'm going to throw a jean jacket on. I do have one place I want to go to, so I want to go look at this shop that sells crystals. I've been there before, but I kind of want to go back and pick up some more and see if they have anything new. So I'm just going to do that. Got my hair in a bun. Face is already prepped, so I'm just going to do my eyeshadow. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I want to dip into... Okay, so I think what I'm going to be using is just these colors here. So this is Hazelnut Latte, this is Best Friend, and then we have Penny Champagne. Okay, so I'm going to take Hazelnut Latte, which is that brown color. And these are very pigmented. I'm really liking Klarity Kosmetics. If you saw like my last videos, that's the first time I've ever tried them, and ever since I've been going back online and kind of buying up everything else on their website. They did just launch a palette. It's called Bloom. So I did get that, and I really want to use this, but with what I'm wearing, I think I need to just kind of tone it down today. But this palette looks like this, and this is their Bloom palette. Just launched February 4th. It sold out, I think, that first day, and they're making more, and I mean, it might be up already again, but get it if you can. And then I also picked up one more palette. It's called the So Mermazing palette. I'm trying to read it backwards. And it looks like this. So I got those two I want to use, and then of course this one. And I just can't wait, and I feel like I just want to do like a week of nothing but Klarity Kosmetics just to try out all the new shadows that I got from them recently, because I think I just discovered them late last year, and whenever that first video was like my very first time buying. And the palette does have like a little mirror in here. Okay, now that we have Hazelnut Latte as like our transition shade, I'm going to be going into... Let me blend this out because I think I took that all the way to my nose. Okay, so now we're going to go into Best Friend, which was that mauve color. And I'm just going to start placing this here. And I'm not winging it out, I'm just going to. So pretty. Okay. So I will finish. I'm going to be blending it out some more, but I want to get the color that's on my lid. I want to do the Penny Champagne on my lid. So let's see. I just need a brush. This brush is old. I need to throw it away, but it still works. So we're going to take Penny Champagne on the brush, and then I'm also going to just try it on my finger. So this is Penny Champagne using the brush, and then without even wetting the brush. Oh, wow. Okay, and then I'm just going to use my finger. This is what it looks like on my finger. Okay. If you hear that noise in the background, That's just my neighbors. I think they're doing some renovations to their house. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into Best Friend to kind of blend this out. But the pigment is like so good. Didn't have to cut my crease and put a white base down. Didn't even wet the brush. It went on just fine using the brush and not my finger. But I wanted to try it with my finger as well. And I just like how pigmented it is and how good it goes on. Okay. It is kind of, I did kind of take that a little bit far back. So I'm just gonna pat this here. I don't mind that the shimmer is going a little bit far back. So pretty. Alright, and now I'm just going to take a smaller brush and go back into Hazelnut. Because I didn't take Best Friend all the way up here. And then I'm just going to use Hazelnut to blend out back here. Alright, and then I do have Fallout. So I just blended some more Best Friend on the outer edge, but I have Fallout. Okay, I'm going to take another clean brush and dip into Best Friend for my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm just going to go do my eyeliner and put some lipstick on, mascara and all of that, but this Penny Champagne is no joke. Like, their shimmers, it got into my crease and like I could still see it. It's like still showing through the darker color. But anyway, let me go finish off my eyes and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my eyeliner, mascara. Mascara is Essence waterproof mascara. Eyeliner, I used the Tarte eyeliner for my lower lash line or my waterline, and then I used an Essence eyeliner to line top of my eye. I did not wing it out. I'm so impressed with the shimmer in that color, just like the way it's coming through the matte shade. That imagine what their highlighters are like. I'm going back on the website to get the highlighters, just FYI, and maybe even try one of their lippies because they do have like lipsticks or lip glosses, but I've never tried them, so I might get some of those. But again, this is a palette. It's a Mauve Wedding palette. This is the colors. I kind of want to even just add this whole lot of glow right here onto my inner corner and see. So, you know what? Let's do that real quick. Hopefully this doesn't mess anything up, but so pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm going back to get the highlighters because I think that they said that the highlighter palette, it looks like stars on my inner corner. They said that the highlighter palette is going to discontinue, so I need to go back and get that. For my lips, I found this pen. It says St. Luxe lip liner in Secret Admirer. I don't know where I got this from, but I've used it up. Then I used the Juvia's Place Self Love lippy, and then over top I actually put the Glam Light Hot Chocolate to get this color. So this is the completed look. Go ahead and comment down below what you think of this look, or if you've gone ahead and tried Klarity Kosmetics. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.